Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick little craft, making a bunny out of a wood bead and some fabric. So to get started on this craft, you're going to need some wood balls with a hole in the center. And these are like a little over 1/2 inch ball, just so you have an idea of the size I'm using. I'm also have these two little decorations. I got these at Christmas time from Michael's, but you could put like a ribbon or a flower, anything you want as a decoration. Little pom-poms for the back of the bunny, and some scrap fabric, some Scotch tape, paint in black and pink. I made the eyes black and the nose is pink, some fine tipped paintbrushes, and for my filler, I've used this before in some of my other crafts. This is chopped up walnuts. It can be found in pet stores in like the lizard area. I'm using that as my filler, and it gives the bunny some weight so that it sits nicely, but you could fill it with polyfill, you could fill it with rice, beans, whatever you want to fill it with. But I'm choosing to use that because I have a whole bunch of it. I'm also going to use some saran wrap, and I've cut a saran wrap in some squares. And the square that I'm going to use is going to be 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. So depending on how large your bead is, obviously you're going to want your square a little bit larger or a little bit smaller, but definitely in the square shape. And then I also have a little bit of blush to make the little rosy cheeks on the bunnies. So the first thing you want to do is take, if you're using rice or beans or anything like that, you want to take your piece of saran wrap and you want to put your filler in the center of the saran wrap. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm just going to pull up my corners and I'm going to twist this off, and this is what's going to make the body of the bunny. So I'm just going to add a little bit more, and then I'm going to twist it so that it's tight. So once you have it twisted, I'm going to put the twisted side down right in the center of the square, and I'm going to bring over my one corner, I'm going to fold it like this. And then I'm going to bring over my opposite corner and I'm going to fold it in like that, so that then you have your two ends on both sides. And then I'm going to bring the one end up and the other end up, and this is what's going to make your ear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them together, and then I'm going to take a piece of Scotch tape and I'm just going to roughly tape around the top of the ear. And why I'm doing that is it makes it easier to feed it through the hole of your bead. So once you have it through, then you're just going to pull it tight until it's secure, and then take that piece of Scotch tape off. So I went ahead and painted the face, the two eyes and the nose, just with a dip in the paint and putting it on there. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of the blush, and I'm going to do both sides for the cheeks. And then we're ready for a little bit of hot glue. I'm going to hot glue the tail to the back, and I'm going to hot glue the bow in the front. And you'll notice the way that it sits, your ears come up the sides, so the front's nice and smooth and the back is. And so the ears come up through there. So let's go hot glue our two items on. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit of hot glue on the pom-pom, and that will go on the back like so. And then you're just going to take, you can tie a ribbon around her neck. You could glue a flower on. I am choosing to glue these bows on, so I'm just going to take a little bit of hot glue right in the center, and I'm putting the bow off to the one side. So these bunnies are so easy to make. I think they would be a cute decoration to put at everybody's place setting on Easter. Little kids would love them. So if this is your first time watching, welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to receive future notification of posts, hit the bell. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.